it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you're new. And in this video I'm going to be using Guess Girl to be doing my hair. Now, having just cut my hair the previous day, literally, I decided to use Guess Girl, and the only thing I knew when I went into this video is that I wanted something light, something short, something easy to maintain, and something that won't pull my delicate postpartum hair. Now, as you can see, this is how I got the desired length of the hair. I took one strand of Guess Girl and I cut it into two, and when I looked at it, it was a little bit short, but yeah, this is how it looked. This is the piece I'm going to be using. This is the size and the length of the hair. Now, if you do not know how to install your hair, I have lots of videos teaching you guys how different ways to add extension to your hair, and this is just one of the ways. So if you would like to learn that, you can leave a comment, I can make another video, or you can just scroll into my channel and you can find multiple videos of me showing you how to add extension onto your hair. I had no idea how this hairstyle would look. The only thing I knew is that one packet of Guess Girl would be more than enough for me to achieve this look, and but I wanted my hair short. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is a couple of days later after I had finished doing my hair, and this is how my hair looked like. Now, is it the best hair? No, but it is an amazing protective hairstyle, which is what I was going for. I just wanted my roots tucked in and protected from the harsh environment conditions, and this is what I had to work with, and yeah, it did serve me a couple of weeks, so it did do a very good job. It was a nice bar, but I had problems trying to style this hair, but I got a style that suit me, and I enjoyed rocking this hair so much. And yeah, this is the final look. There are multiple ways you can style this hair, and I really loved it, especially the length, the size, the weight, the feel of the hair on my head was amazing. And having just had a baby a few months ago, this was the perfect first postpartum hairstyle, if that's a thing. And yeah, I enjoyed myself rocking this hair, and I just loved everything about it. And yeah, this is it. This is how the hair looked like, and I did actually rock this hair, and yeah, it was a very new, nice experience. So if you watched this video up to the point, hi, I am crowned, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, and if you'd like to grow your hair, you are in the right place. So I hope you stay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. I will see you on my next one.